Hi, hello and welcome to the channel. This video I'm going to show you guys how to prevent your tabs on Google Chrome to auto refresh. I mean not auto refresh, but if you are doing something else, another task, and then when you reopen your tab and then it keep refreshing, it because your Google Chrome turn on the memory saver, which means if the tab is not active, the Chrome like you see, this tab only use about 300 megabytes of RAM, and then the Chrome itself hide the usage of the RAM by not refresh or not showing the page. So what you have to do, you just open to your Google Chrome and then press triple dot on here, and then you see the more tools, and then as you can see, this is performance, and then make sure this memory saver is turned off. As you can see on here, the remarks it went on from freeze up memory from inactive tabs. So if your tabs is not active, if you turn it on, it's not the tabs and not active, the Chrome will automatically close the page just like that. So make sure you turn off this memory saver, and then that's it. It will be solve your problem. Thank you for watching, guys. If you think this content is helpful, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Bye bye.